Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show your ping in Roblox. To show your ping in Roblox, first of all, go ahead and open your Roblox application and join into a game. Once you're inside the game on Roblox, go ahead and tap on the Roblox icon at the top left corner while you are inside the game. Now, go ahead and click on Settings at the top, and under Settings, scroll down and look for Performance Stats. Right next to Performance Stats, make sure that it is turned on, and while you have the Performance Stats turned on, you can get back to your game and you will see the ping option at the top right. Tap on ping and it will show you your connection speed to the server. Now you know how to show your ping in Roblox. This helps you monitor lag and optimize your gameplay experience. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.